In this very video, I'm going to show you how you can utilize free presentation traffic to boost up your website traffic, your blog traffic, and increase your revenue. Previously, when you talk about massive free presentation traffic, your whole mind goes back to /share traffic, okay? But right now in 2025, /share traffic is slowing down, but that doesn't mean free presentation traffic is dead. In this very video, I'm going to simply show you the best /share alternative that still sends free traffic to your blog website, your funnel, your offers, your website, your businesses, landing pages, and lot more. All you need to do is simply pay close attention to this very video, because I'm going to simply show you how this works step by step, 100% for free, all right? And this is also going to simply help you with your affiliate marketing, your ad network like Astra, Montag, Keystop ad, and lot more. All you need to do is simply watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to simply give you the best at the ending part of this very video. So without further ado, let's get into the main video right away. So number one free traffic source that's going to simply help you is Issuu.com, right? So this is Issuu.com, right? So if you know about /share, you know that this particular platform right here works like /share, right? But this one is getting more traffic than /share currently, all right? And all you need to do is simply go ahead and sign up on this very platform right here. This is Issuu.com. This platform right here allows you to write your blog content and add them as an ebook, all right? So I've already made a video on how to do that. Convert your blog content to a PDF and upload it as a file on this very platform while you generate traffic, get people that will download it and read it, okay? This is going to simply work for you if you're writing blog posts about reviews, about affiliate reviews, where you add affiliate links and also your blog link, okay? So from that particular file, people can actually visit your blog website. From that same file, people can actually visit and click on your affiliate link. This is what this platform says. You convert your PDF files into flipbooks and more, all right? So you need to do is simply drop it right here. And on this platform, you're going to see a lot of readers from Taiwan countries, and this is going to simply help you bank your traffic and also get people to engage more with your blog content. So you need to do is simply go ahead and sign up on this platform, and this is one of the best I like so much that is currently trending at the moment, okay? So you need to do right now, simply create your content for every channel, and you're going to simply start getting traffic to your blog and start increasing your revenue, all right? So you need to do is simply go ahead and write a blog post on your website blog, all right? So when you write a blog post, this is how it's going to simply look like, okay? Then you copy the same blog post, go to Google Docs, then paste that same content and export it as PDF. Go to Canva and create an ebook cover, then head straight to this particular website right here, which is Issuu, and upload it, okay? In that same ebook, they're going to simply be links where people can easily click. When they click on that link, it is going to simply redirect them to your website or to the affiliate marketing product you are promoting, okay? And with that, you're going to get traffic, you're going to get revenue for yourself, all right? So that's the first one. The second website you can actually use that's going to simply work well more than /share is LinkedIn document, all right? So if you want vibrant traffic, current traffic, then you have to simply utilize this platform that I'm showing you currently, and this is going to simply help you a lot. Just head over to LinkedIn document, go ahead and create an account, then you upload your stuff. If you have files already on /share, you can simply move them to this very section right here, which is going to simply give you real human traffic and also boost your engagement, traffic, and a lot more from the Taiwan countries. And this is going to simply help you a lot if you are an online marketer, if you're selling a product, if you're a blogger, selling your content, your information, and if you want to increase your ad revenue from SEO, from Montag, from AdSense, and lots more, all right? So remember, this strategy right here is going to simply be giving you high quality traffic, because only those that downloaded your files are going to simply engage with your content, okay? So the next on our list, we have this one right here, which is Academia.edu, all right? This one right here is not only for academics. You can simply go ahead and publish your content right here as PDF, and this PDF are currently going to be ranking on Google, all right? So all of this stuff right here is currently going to be ranking on Google, because Google is going to be indexing them for you. So simply go ahead and sign up on this platform. When you are signed up, then go ahead and upload your files. Make sure that the files you upload are also on your website. Then you tell them to read more from this very link on your ebook, okay? If you want to promote affiliate products from SEO, Amazon, and a lot more, you can add them on the same ebook where people can actually click and purchase, all right? When they purchase, you're going to get a commission. So you need to do right now, simply go ahead and sign up on this platform. It is 100% free of charge. You can publish your stuff right there and get people to interact with you, and you get traffic to your blog website. So the next website that's going to simply help you with this is Scribd. It's Scribd.com, right? All you need to do right now is simply go ahead and sign up on the platform, and the same thing you do on this Issuu is something you're going to simply be doing on Scribd, all right? So you go ahead and sign up on the platform, upload your stuff right here, and you're going to simply get people that will download it. And I will advise you to do is this: go ahead and check out posts that are already doing well, then do the same thing on this platform so that they can actually recommend that to their audience. All right, then click on the upload button right here, then you upload your stuff and get people to download it. Okay, and the best part is that this particular one right here also work on mobile. You can download the app on Play Store, which means you don't have to be visiting the website every single time on the web page. Okay, so just go ahead and download the application and do your stuff, then generate your traffic and you earn. All right, that's basically how it works. The next, which is also going to give you a lot of traffic to your website, to your blog website, your landing pages, your product affiliate links, is Pinterest business. All right, so in this Pinterest, this particular strategy has been working for so many people. Okay, so you can simply go ahead and utilize Pinterest for your traffic. Pick a niche for yourself. There are a lot of categories of niches that you can go for. You can see right, we have animal, art, beauty, design, DIY craft, tattoo, quotes, men fashion, home decor, food. If you click on this read more button right here, you're going to see lot more. And if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see a lot of things that are trending very well. So remember, before you even start a blog, you already have a niche. Okay, for instance, on my own blog right here, I talk about business, talk about technology, and I talk about anything related to finance. All right, so that's what I do. And if you come over to this particular section right here, there are a lot of people on beauty, there are a lot of people that are doing beauty. And if you see someone that is doing beauty, the person might not be doing business. All right, this is our own niche, so you have to make sure you go ahead and pick your own niche. When you pick your niche, then that's going to simply help you to focus on your right audience. And when you make a pin right here, it's going to simply go to the right people and they're going to simply click on it. All right, so just go ahead and download the mobile app of Pinterest, then do your stuff, create a pin for yourself. If you have a new blog post, create a pin about that. Or if you have published your files right here and you want to promote the file you've already published on Issuu, Academia, and also on Scribd, then you promote the stuff right here on Pinterest. Or if you want to promote your direct link from your blog post, you can simply go ahead and create a pin for it. Just hit on this button right here, just click on this create a pin. This is going to simply take you to the section where you can simply create a pin and get people to interact with your blog post, and this is going to simply work for you no matter where you're watching from. Okay, these are some of the best traffic sources that are working for me, and they can actually work for you if you do it consistently. You don't have to publish one post or one file and expect to get millions of traffic. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to keep on publishing content just the way you publish on your blog website and also the way you publish on your YouTube channel. All right, remember, people keep on making videos. Each video has an audience, each video has people that it relates to. All right, each file you upload right here on each of these platforms has someone that needs them. All right, all you need to do is to keep on publishing content that solve a specific problem, that brings solution to people's problem, and with that, you're gonna get a lot of people that will also download and also help you make money online. All right, so these are the top best traffic sources that you can actually go for in 2025 and see huge results. Okay, if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this video channel, and turn on the bell notification icons so that whenever I upload videos like this, you're gonna be the first to be notified by YouTube. All right, so I'm gonna see you in the next video. If you want to learn how to start a funnel-based blogging that AI cannot answer, the video showing on your screen right now is gonna simply help you to achieve that. See you in that very video.